The food work began at the Ecology Action Centre about 10 years ago, and at that time it was really the only place where people began to convene around food issues in Nova Scotia, and today that work is carried out through the Our Food project. Nova Scotia has one of the highest rates of food insecurity in Canada, and what that means is that a lot of families and households can't afford to get the food they need for a variety of reasons. Through the Our Food project, we work with communities to strengthen their relationships to food and build positive food environments. We create those social and physical spaces that help people grow, eat, and sell good food in ways that are dignified and culturally appropriate.
Part of the goal of the Our Food project is to develop and strengthen municipal food policy, which we do through the Halifax Food Policy Alliance. The idea behind the Halifax Food Policy Alliance is that in order to create a healthy, just, sustainable food system for the Halifax region, we need to be working hand in hand with institutions, with government, with nonprofit groups, and with community representatives to be able to create a very strong, supportive environment so that good policies and programs can be developed. We've done a lot of work on the Halifax Food Policy Alliance to date, and one of our biggest projects has been the development and launch of the Halifax Food Assessment. And the assessment is really a comprehensive report that looks at the state of the food system in Halifax. So that's everything from how we grow, produce, sell, distribute, and dispose of our food.
Have meaningful policy change and have policies that really work for people and communities. Those people and communities need to be involved in that. I know for a lot of folks in the community that I work in, they feel like they have no ability to affect policy, but they're the ones who have a lot of lived experience around food issues, particularly income-related food insecurity, and so I think it's really important to hear those voices and perspectives.
Policies are tools, and people need to have a say in terms of what those policies are going to dictate, what they're going to do. They're only going to be effective tools if they are actually representative of the people that they're meant to be working for. I eat food, and we all eat food. That is one language that cuts across all cultural, socioeconomic barriers of any kind. If we're doing food right, a lot of other things are going to come into place. We're going to be building community, we're going to be healing the land, we're going to be healing our bodies, we're going to be reducing costs on healthcare, and we're going to be cleaning the air. All kinds of things are falling into place when food is being done right.
Since we began our work with the Our Food project, there's more momentum building, and there's a lot of excitement and energy around food initiatives overall. People's needs are different now than they were 5 or 10 years ago, and we're responding to those changes in terms of how, as an organization, we support different food initiatives. A lot more people are involved in the food movement in Nova Scotia today, which is really exciting.